Colonel, thanks for doing this. Jack Detch from Al Monitor. I'm curious, sort of given the encirclement of ISIS fighters in Raqqa, how readily can the group get supplies into the old city using tunnels or any other means?
So we have seen, and as we continue to, or the SDF continue to advance into the Raqqa city center, we have seen the tunnel networks that they have built. And we don't have. You learn a little bit more every single day. We don't know is how extensive, and you can only see as far as your forward line of troops allows you to go, especially when you're talking about the tunnel networks. Clearly, the ISR, the intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance that we use, give us a very good idea of what we can see above ground, but under, we learn that as we go. So that's what I know about that. Did you have another question?
Yeah, well, just actually sort of on you mentioned that the ISIS fighters who had surrendered to SDF had been sort of in poor condition. I'm curious if you can provide any more details on their condition and maybe if that provides any clues into how long that group can hold out in the old city.
So these are some of the things that we have seen throughout the different locations and areas where we have fought ISIS. As the central services, as water turns off, as the ability for food to come in and out of these cities, it makes it very, very difficult to sustain oneself. And this was a relatively new report of some of these fighters that we've seen recently to show how emaciated and how malnourished that they are, and the fact that they are using some sort of drugs to keep them alert and to keep them going is some telling signs of their desperation and the where they are right now within Raqqa. Whether that is just in these certain pockets or as it gets further into the area, as we get deeper into the city, perhaps they have more ways to sustain themselves. I don't know, but these are some of the new reports that have come out in recent days.
Great. And just